Good morning students. In our today's video we are going to learn more about the compound microscope. Before starting the actual video, I would like to request all of you that if you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you. First of all, we will see all parts of compound microscope. This one is called as a base. Base gives support to the whole structure of this microscope. Then upper to the side of this base there is mirror. Mirrors are attached here. They are the source of light. Convex and concave mirrors are there, and through these mirrors light rays passes through the lens system. This one, at the base of this stage, there is iris diaphragm. It is a small aperture here through which light rays from mirror get reflected in the system. Below the stage there is presence of a lens that you can call it as a condenser. This one is a mechanical stage, and the purpose of this mechanical stage is to support the slide. This one is a screw for adjustment of a field. Side arm. This side arm, you can handle this microscope with the help of this side arm. This one is an objective. There are three kinds of objectives in compound microscope. 10x means 10 times it magnifies the image. 45x means it magnifies the image 45 times, and for microbiological studies 100x objective is used, that is called as a oil immersion objective. This one is a fine adjustment knob, coarse adjustment knob is there, and this one is a body tube. The upper end of body tube ends with the eyepiece, and through this eyepiece you can observe the specimen. Any specimen, maybe microbiological, plant or animal specimen, can be observed with the help of compound microscope. Thank you very much.